Hey guys, this is Zafa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. From today morning, I felt cold and cough. The energy was down, and when you have cold and cough, you are not able to focus. You are not able to concentrate. You experience headache, little fever. So that was my condition. But we need to speak up. We need to share our message, whatever is the circumstances. And furthermore, I also forget my mic. I'm not having my mic, so I'm having my headphone and I'm using that, right? So tool is not mandatory. You can use any tool to convey your message, but the most important thing is your content, your message. So today message is, let universe show me the vision, show me the path when I am distracted from my path, when I don't find any solution, when I am confused, I am frustrated, what to do, what to take next step. Sometimes we try very harder to do all the things that we ever wanted in our life, but ultimately it depends upon the universe, the God, your higher self, your higher consciousness. We put our efforts, and the result that needs to be get is in the hands of the God, the supreme divine power. We are helpless. So same is the case with me right now. I am seeking vision. Oh Lord, please guide me. Oh God, please help me. Oh God, please show me the vision, show me the correct path which can lead me to bring happiness into other people's life, to inspire them, to motivate them, and to continue making such amazing content. And I create amazing YouTube content. I create amazing YouTube stuff. Oh God, please show me. Please give me that knowledge. Please give me that willpower. Please give me that. My intention is clear. I am having my clear intention, but show me the right path. Show me the vision. Guide me in this path. How I can be more effective and how I can attract more people into this channel so that they get inspired and become happy to become the greatest version. The people that come in your life, in your contact, is not a coincidence. All is planned. Universe has its plan, and you are alive because of certain reason only. There is a specific reason or purpose for everyone in their life. It is our duty to find that purpose, that cause, that why I am alive. And I have already found myself, why I am alive, what are my great resources and how I can utilize them, how I am a writer, I am a reader, I am a speaker, I am a great public speaker. I have all essential skills, right? So that's what the life is about. Life is only journey. You need to put your efforts every day, and the result that needs to be generated is given by God, and there is no luck or something, but you need to make consistent efforts, regular practice, time, importance of time. Don't waste it, utilize it, make something great, do something that your future self will be grateful to you for. Time passes very fast. Today is the morning, soon it will be afternoon, and then the day will be over. So oh God, whoever is watching this video, please provide them divine guidance, divine healing, divine protection. We are all seekers of you. We are nothing without you. We worship you. We pray for you. We pray for our well-being. We pray for our family. We pray for our members. I do pray for our community members who are connected to me, who are watching my videos. I shower good energy, positive energy. I give Reiki healing to them. This is my intention. Please provide divine guidance, divine healing. Let they be guided. Let everything, those who are suffering from this pandemic act, from these difficult circumstances, may guided by love. May there will be wealth, prosperity, and abundance in their life. May they will be happy. There will be contentment. They will find joy. They will find peace in these terrible circumstances right now happening. This is my prayer for all of you. Prayer is an essential part of our life. We need to include that prayer every day in our life. Whatever is the circumstances that we are going, prayer is mandatory. So for this community, for this channel, this is my prayer to you. This is my prayer for all. This is my prayer for the world to become the greatest place, the world to get healed, the world where people can build up the community, serve each other, help each other, and get together with each other. Together, united we stand, divide we fall. So I pray for all of you. I pray for your happiness, your prosperity, your abundance. I wish whatever you are planning into your life will be yours soon. I pray for your well-being, for your great things, and you achieve great desired results. And this pandemic, this difficult time will soon be over, and again life will be normal. People will be great. There will be joy. There will no be fear, and it will be guided by love. So this was the message from my end. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this helps. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this my short prayer, my thoughts, then do share, do hit the like button, and share to those who are needy for this inspiration, for this prayer, for this becoming the greatest person, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.